Let's discover how ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI chatbot, can have intelligent conversations with you, make you a better communicator, and even change the trajectory of your life. I used 5 prompts to discover the capabilities of ChatGPT and found the results to be life-changing if used appropriately. And here's why. For someone who is not a native English speaker wanting to migrate to Australia, I wish this tool was available when I was writing my application. I was impressed that the AI system was able to write to the correct department, call out specific IT skills, and clearly say how I can add value to the city and its economy. Clear communication and establishing a strong value proposition is key to most successful business transactions. While the AI didn't fully take into account that I was providing wedding films and not photography, the response was impressive. The suggested text clearly called out what sets me apart from others, provided a strong why as to the complimentary pre-wedding shoot I was offering and the benefits to the couple. The use of warm and thoughtful language was really nice to see as I am writing to a couple intending to get married. In the third prompt, I requested ChatGPT for a YouTube video script on how this service can help content creators. The results provided in 5 seconds was simply amazing and a really strong foundation for a great YouTube video. Idea generation, script writing, collaboration, and improved efficiency were clearly identified and explained as benefits. The outcome of my 4th prompt was only semi-successful, as the service was not able to recognize that the iPhone 14 was launched in September 2022. However, I found the pillars of comparison provided were really useful. And for my final prompt, I asked for a YouTube title to be generated. If you found this video on your YouTube feed, that's testimony to the fact that the service had done a good job. Let me know in the comments section if you would consider using ChatGPT, which is currently free at the time of filming this video, and if so, how would you use it? Do you consider AI to be good or evil?